My name is Chutruti. Today is 26 January. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We are celebrating 76th Republic Day. This year, Republic Day is a national festival of our country. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. We should always respect our Constitution. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country